Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about TikTok Shop affiliates. I'm going to say that TikTok Shop affiliates is one of the easiest way for you to make money because basically you just have to create a video and then post it on TikTok, and then you're going to get commission if anyone buys a product through the links that you put on the video, or if, let's say, you link that video on a product directly to TikTok Shop and people buy those products through your video, you will be able to get money out of it. So I'm going to talk about how to do it when you're the one who's going to do the affiliate marketing, and how to do it if you're the shop that would like to have or to create an affiliate program. We're going to start by creating a business account for TikTok. It's going to be different with your personal account because actually there is two ways that you can do or you can use when you're trying to join the affiliate program. The first one is the one with a minimum followers, and the second one is the one with no minimum followers whatsoever. So we're going to start with the first one. On your TikTok apps on your phone, you're going to want to click on the triple stripe at the top right of your screen and then click on Creator Tools. Right here, you'll see there is a TikTok shop for creator options. And if you click on it, you'll be able to see on all of the things that you will have to fulfill if you want to join the affiliate programs through this method. So here you can see that you will have to be able to fulfill some of the requirements, such as following the community guidelines, having a minimum followers, be at least 18 years old, and other things. So once you finish everything, you can go ahead and click on apply. And once accepted, your affiliate program can be started. Alright, so that is how you can join the affiliate program if you already have quite a lot of followers. But if you don't have any followers at all, or if you do have but just some amount of it, don't worry, you can still join the affiliate program on TikTok Shop. All you have to do is sign up for the TikTok business account. So basically, you're going to want to create the shop of your own. It's going to be a business account and not a personal account. Now, there's this one thing that I would like to point out. You will want to make sure that you are going to the business sign up account for TikTok on the right country. So I think each country have their own system. It is pretty similar, but there might be a little bit of differences between each country. And as you can see right here, I am on the Indonesia merchant, and I can actually switch country if I want. I can take a look at the Malaysia side, Thailand side, Philippines side, Vietnam side, Singapore side, United Kingdom side, or United States side. So you can go ahead and take a look at the correct site for your region. And if it's not listed over there, it's probably because it's not being supported by TikTok Shop. So all you have to do when you want to join the affiliate marketing through this method right here is by signing up to your TikTok business account. You can use your phone number and then create some password. Or if you already have a TikTok account that you want to use as the business account, you can do that. I happen to have a specific TikTok account to use as the business account, so I'm not going to sign up for now. I'm just going to go ahead and log in. Alright, once you're done with all of the details to insert it, etc., once you're done with the signing up, you will get a dashboard that looks like this. Again, different country might have different dashboard, but I believe most of them works quite the same. So this is how the dashboard looks like on the seller webpage for TikTok, and I'm going to show you how it looks like if you're opening it through the application on your phone. Alright, so as you can see on this other account that I have, I don't even have any follower at all. My follower is 0, but I do have some products that I can market or I can promote through the affiliate marketings. So this is one of the product that I have on my shop. And if I would like to take a look at other product, all I have to do is go to the triple stripes at the top right of my screen, go to the creator tools, and then click on the TikTok shop for creators. Through here, I'll be able to see on the dashboard that looks like this. So I can click on the product that I would like to add on my showcase, and then I can just click on add to my showcase, and I can start creating affiliate video or affiliate content with those product right there. Alright, so as I shown earlier, you can see that once you finished the setup and then you finally be able to join the affiliate program, you'll be able to serve on some product that are available on TikTok shop, and then you can choose the product that you want to put on your showcase, and you can also gain commission out of that product again if the video that you created to market or to promote that product actually reach people and people buys the product through your video. Now those are the methods that you can use if you want to join the affiliate program on TikTok. Now how about if you are the store who will want to create the affiliate program for your TikTok shop? Now you can do that automatically once you finish signing up for the affiliate program with the second method that I talked about, which is by creating a business account for TikTok shop. Now once you got the dashboard that looks like this, at the very top of your screen you'll be able to see this affiliate marketing options. So right here you have two options. You can take a look at the affiliate homepage, or you can go straight to find creators. Let's start by clicking on the affiliate homepage. Once you click on that, they're going to bring you into this page right here. Now through here, you'll be able to see the recommended creators that you might want to invite to collaborate with your shop. So again, this one is also going to depend on which countries you are. This one's right here shows the countries where I am in, the creators in the country that I'm in. And if I click on view more, I'll be able to see more selections of creators that TikTok feels are going to be perfect for my shop. Alright, so here are some of the creators that I can invite if I want. So it's going to show the followers of the creators, the average video views, as well as average live viewers. And I can also just filters on what type of creators I will want to invite. So for example, if I have a product that I sell on my shop that are based on, let's say, gardening or stuff like that, I wouldn't want to focus on trying to search for an influencer or for a creator that focus on, let's say, moms and babies, or maybe focus on food, because it's not going to be relevant to the product that I have. So this filter systems right here is going to be very helpful if I ever want to search for a creators in order to boost my product at my shop. And then if we go back to this creator dashboard right here, I also have the options to take a look at the affiliate guide. So right here I'll be able to set commissions, and it says here that I can decide how much commissions to offer and only pay when the creator makes sales. I can also manage the affiliate orders. I can send free samples if I want. And here I also have the options to collaborate with creator. Now let's take a look at what happens if I click on the find creators option. Alright, so clicking that will brings me directly to the list of creators that TikTok thinks is going to be suitable for my shop. So it's almost the same with if I click on view more or recommended creator. Here are some tips that you can do if you just started doing this TikTok affiliate, because there is a lot of people who has already joined in this program. You're going to want to be very creative. So first things first, try to make your video as original as possible, because nowadays TikTok actually are very strict when it comes to something that is copyrighted, or when it comes to something that can be considered as stealing other people's content. You will get banned, or your video will be removed, some things like that. So make sure that your video is original and it's not also copy and then pasted directly from the product page, because that can also be considered as stealing content. So you don't want to do that. And then last but not least, you will want to be consistent when it comes to posting your video, because the more you post, the kinder TikTok algorithm will be for you. And that's basically it. That is how you can become TikTok affiliate, whether you are the one who's going to join the affiliate program or you are the one who's going to create the affiliate program. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.